Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica, and if you're new, I'm so excited to have you here. I post a lot of cooking, cleaning, grocery haul type videos, so if that is what you enjoy, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And for today's video, I am doing an after dark clean with me. My house was pretty messy after a long, busy day, and I had a lot of stuff I wanted to tackle and get done. So go ahead and clean along with me if you'd like, or just grab a snack and enjoy. I picked a lot of really fun music for you guys. I know when I'm watching cleaning videos, I love ones with like really upbeat, just fun music that gets me super motivated. So get ready for a ton of cleaning motivation and let's get started and get it all done. So first up, I wanted to tackle my kitchen. I got my stove clean, my counters. For me, if my kitchen is clean, I just feel relaxed. If my kitchen is messy or I have dishes in the sink, I get like mega anxiety. I feel just like clustered and like nothing is clean. So I like my counters to be clean. I don't like a lot of stuff setting out on them. I'm pretty minimalist when it comes to that. So I like to tackle the kitchen first because it just kind of helps me take a deep breath and just feel like my house is getting cleaner. I don't know. Is anyone else like that? When your kitchen's clean, you just feel a lot better, especially going to bed at night. I have to have a clean kitchen, dishes done, counters clean. It just totally helps me relax and sleep better when I don't have to go to bed knowing I'm going to wake up and have like a messy kitchen. That is just not fun for me.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Alright, so after my kitchen is clean, then I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the dining room table. There was just some stuff of the kids and some leftover garbage from dinner that I wanted to pick up. And then this table is amazing. I'm so obsessed with it. I highly recommend it. if you're looking for a really nice, really big farmhouse table. But this thing holds crumbs, you guys. I feel like I'm spraying it and wiping it off like constantly. And these chairs I love as well. They're from Home Depot actually, and they clean up really easily. I had wanted to get like upholstered chairs, but I am so glad I stuck with the ones that I had because my kids are just messy little eaters. And like I said, these wipe up and clean really easily, as does the table. I just feel like I'm doing it constantly, which is fine, but yeah, so I'm definitely holding off on the upholstered chairs until my kids are probably like teenagers, but that's all right. And then I also plan to get a couple more chairs. I want 3 on each side. I think I mentioned that before. But tell me what you guys think. Do you like just the table runner by itself like this? Or do you like it with the plant centerpiece or just the plant centerpiece like I used to have? Let me know what you guys think. I was kind of struggling back and forth on whether or not it looks right with the plant and the runner. I don't know. And I was tired at this point. So yeah, just give me your opinion there. Next, we are going to head downstairs and pick up the kids' playroom. I like to just pick this up every night so that it's nice and clean and ready for them in the morning. They play down here all the time, and I totally don't mind that they make it a huge mess. I just like to clean it up at night, and I know I need to start getting them to pick up, but for the sake of cleaning videos, I do it. But on a normal day, like day to day, they definitely pick up their toys as well. But for cleaning videos, mom helps out. So that is what I'm doing here, just getting everything straightened up so that our home is nice and clean when we go to sleep and ready for us to live in the next day.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone add some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep, I long for insomnia. They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel.
Moving on to my master bathroom, I actually gave the kids a bath in here tonight, so it was pretty messy, and I'm just going to clean everything up, get the laundry out of here, and then there were some bath toys that my dog actually got into and had, so I wanted to just sanitize those using my Branch Basics all-purpose spray. And also, I don't know if I mentioned what I've been cleaning with throughout all my videos, but I use Branch Basics. I absolutely love their cleaning supplies. I use them for everything: laundry, cleaning, hand soap, makeup remover, just everything. They're amazing. So yeah, if you guys are interested in non-toxic, completely safe for you, your children, your pets, everything safe to breathe, safe to touch, all of that, then go ahead and check down below. I have a coupon code for $10 off your first order, and I promise you guys will not be disappointed. I highly, highly recommend Branch Basics. They're an amazing company. The customer service is incredible. Anytime I message them on Instagram or Facebook, I get a response right away, and it's awesome. But yeah, here is my super clean bathroom. I love this little lamp I got from Target. It was like $10, and I just love the vibe it gives my bathroom. So cute. Love it. Next up is every mom's favorite chore, right? Laundry. Just kidding. I actually don't mind doing laundry. It's the folding and putting away part that I find most difficult, which is kind of funny because when it was just me in my life before kids or marriage or anything, I loved doing laundry. I loved like color coordinating my closet and getting everything just right. But now that I have 2 kids and myself and my husband, I'm just like over it. But I do laundry a few times a day because I like to stay on top of it. And like I said, I really don't mind it. So for my laundry, like I said, I use Branch Basics and I absolutely love it. And then if I need to do like a stain remover, which I pretty much always do having a toddler and a little boy, I like to use the Branch Basics bathroom spray or all purpose, and I'll just spray the stains, and then I use a little oxygen boost if I need to. and that always gets my stains out, especially when I do whites. I just find that they're very, very bright, like super bright. Here you see me using the Oxygen Boost, but I just do a scoop or two depending on the load and the stains, and it's just amazing. Like, my whites are so white, you guys, and I don't have to worry about toxic chemicals or just, creepy residue from the toxic laundry detergents. This stuff is totally safe and effective and amazing. So I just spray all the stains, plop it in the washer, and I am good to go.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
All right, so as you can see, I'm just straightening up the living room a little bit. Nothing crazy because my son requested that we slept in the living room on this night. So as you'll see in a couple of minutes, we had a movie night and we slept out here and it was super cozy and comfy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments down below and I will see you in my next one.